In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cron job in Hostinger. Whether you're new to web hosting or just looking to automate some of your website's processes, understanding how to set up a cron job can significantly help streamline your site's operations. Let's walk through this process step by step so that you can efficiently set up these scheduled tasks. First, you'll want to navigate to your Hostinger account homepage. It's a familiar starting point for all your hosting needs. From there, you can access a wide range of features and settings tailored to support and enhance your website. Once you're there, look for the Websites option. This is where you'll manage your site's various settings. Next, click on the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center and provides an overview of all your websites hosted with Hostinger. Here, you can access the tools and features you'll need to set up your cron job. On the dashboard, seek out the section labeled Advanced. This is your gateway to more technical site customizations, including the setup of cron jobs. Once you're in the Advanced section, you'll see an option for cron jobs. Go ahead and click on that. Cron jobs are essentially scheduled tasks that your server runs at specified intervals, making automations and repetitive tasks all but automated. This is where you can set up a new job or manage existing ones, providing you with flexibility over your site's functions. Now, click on Custom. This is the part where you can tailor your cron job to fit your site's unique needs. By selecting Custom, you're given the freedom to configure specific scripts or commands that you want to run at particular times or intervals. This is an especially helpful feature if you have advanced or particular requirements that aren't covered by default settings. When setting a custom cron job, ensure you enter the script or command accurately, as any errors could prevent it from executing correctly. It's a good practice to review your entries and confirm the timing and parameters are correctly specified. Hostinger provides a user-friendly interface for setting these values, but a bit of caution in this step can save a lot of troubleshooting time later. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through setting up a cron job in Hostinger. This powerful feature will help keep your website running efficiently, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your web management. Remember, periodic reviews of your cron jobs can ensure that everything is functioning smoothly and adjust any settings as your needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy hosting!